Hello everybody, today I will again continue the chapter hydrogen. Today I will discuss about preparation of hydrogen. See first, metal plus cold water, metal hydroxide and hydrogen. Means when metal react with cold water, metal hydroxide and hydrogen is formed. See the example, metal, potassium, sodium and calcium. First, cold water. Cold water means H2O. See the reaction, plus H2O. From metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. Metal hydroxide. This is the metal, potassium, sodium and calcium. And hydroxide means OH. The formula of hydroxide is OH. So KOH, NaOH and CaOH. Now the valency of potassium is +1 and the valency of OH is -1. So KOH plus H2. And valency of sodium is +1, valency of OH is -1. So NaOH plus H2. Now the valency of calcium is +2 and OH is -1. This means CaOH whole 2 plus H2. Now the balance equation, here 2, 2 and 2. Also 2, 2, 2. Now for this, now metal plus cold water, metal hydroxide plus hydrogen is formed. This sign means hydrogen, liberated gas. But this reaction is not preferred because in case of potassium and sodium, the reaction is violent and exothermic. And in case of calcium, calcium is expensive. Now next, metal plus hot water, metal hydroxide plus hydrogen is formed. See the example, magnesium plus hot water means H2O. Metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. Metal, magnesium, hydroxide means OH and valency of magnesium is +2, valency of OH is -1. This means MgOH whole 2 plus H2. Now see the balance equation. This metal plus hot water, metal hydroxide plus hydrogen is formed. But this is not preferred because magnesium is expensive. Now metal plus steam, metal oxide plus H2. Magnesium, then zinc, aluminium and iron plus steam. Steam means H2O. H2O. From metal oxide and hydrogen. Metal oxide means Mg oxide O plus hydrogen H2. Next, zinc plus steam. Metal oxide means zinc ZnO plus H2. Next, aluminium plus H2O. Same, metal oxide means aluminium oxide AlO. But the valency of aluminium is 3 and the valency of oxygen is -2. This means Al2O3 plus H2. Now see the balance equation. In case of left hand side, aluminium 1. In case of right hand side, aluminium 2. So I am writing here 2. And in case of oxygen, right hand side there is 3 oxygen atom, left hand side there is 1 oxygen atom. So I am writing here 3. Now in case of hydrogen, in left hand side number of hydrogen is 6. In right hand side number of hydrogen is 2. So I am writing here 3. Now Fe, in case of iron, metal oxide Fe3O4 plus H2. And the reaction is reversible. 3, here 4. But this is also not preferred as the oxide stick the surface of the respective metal and stop the further reaction. Next, metal plus acid. Metal plus acid. Salt plus hydrogen. See the example. Metal means magnesium, zinc, aluminium. In this case, either HCl or H2SO4 is used. But HNO3 is not used, as nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. So it liberates any hydrogen. It converts any liberated hydrogen into water. So HNO3 is not used. Plus HCl, metal plus acid, salt and hydrogen is formed. Mg Cl2 plus H2. Now here I am writing here 2. So this is a balance equation. Now zinc plus H2SO4, salt means ZnSO4 plus H2. So when metal react with acid, then salt and hydrogen is formed. Else aluminium plus HCl, AlCl3 plus H2. Now see the balance equation. This is a balance equation. Now when metal react with base, metal plus base or alkali, salt plus H2. See the example. Sodium plus NaOH, alkali means NaOH or KOH. Sodium, lead and also aluminium plus alkali means NaOH, means NaOH. See the reaction, plus also H2. In this case Na2, zinc plus NaOH, Na2 ZnO2 plus H2. When metal react with alkali, salt and hydrogen is formed. See the balance equation. In case of lead, when lead react with alkali, then sodium plumbate is from Na2 PbO2 plus H2 is formed. When aluminium react with base alkali, then sodium aluminate is formed. NaAlO2 plus H2. See the balance equation. So when metal react with cold water, metal hydroxide plus hydrogen is formed. When metal react with hot water, metal hydroxide plus hydrogen is formed. When metal react with steam, metal oxide plus hydrogen is formed. When metal react with acid, salt and hydrogen is formed. When metal react with alkali, salt and hydrogen is formed. But in case of sodium and magnesium, both are, when they react with acid or water, the reaction is violent and explosive. In case of magnesium and calcium, both are expensive. Next, laboratory method for the preparation of hydrogen. Now, reactants, granulated zinc in flat bottom flask, dilute H2SO4 added through Thesel funnel. Procedure, granulated zinc is placed in the flat bottom flask and sulfuric acid is added slowly from the Thesel funnel. A big effervescence is seen with the evolution of hydrogen gas. See the reaction, zinc plus H2SO4, ZnSO4 plus H2. This means zinc sulfate plus hydrogen is formed. Now for the reaction, some precaution takes place. First precaution, the apparatus must be airtight so that any leakage of gas does not take place, as hydrogen forms an explosive mixture with air. Number 2, granulated zinc is used as it contains copper as impurity. This copper acts as a catalyst and helps to speed up the reaction. Number 3, nitric acid HNO3 is not used as it is a strong oxidizing agent, so it converts any liberated hydrogen into water. Number 4, hydrogen is collected by the downward displacement of water, as hydrogen is insoluble in water and it forms an explosive mixture with air. Next, hydrogen gas is dried by passing it through anhydrous calcium chloride. This is for today. Thank you.